Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mexicans. This time we're going to be doing some chicken cheesesteaks, so stay tuned.
You are now cooking with the master.
I've laid out all of our ingredients that we're going to be using for these chicken cheesesteaks. I've got 3 chicken breasts that I'm going to cut up. I've got some mushrooms. We're going to be slicing some red bell pepper, some onion, and I have some leftover yellow pepper. We're gonna mix these 3 vegetables together. Once everything's cooking out on the BlackStone, we're gonna season them with one of my favorite conjunctions that I came up with. A little bit of Lawry seasoned salt with the BlackStone whiskey burger seasoning. I mix those together, and that's pretty much my go-to for everything that I cook. Like I said, once everything's out there cooking, we're gonna season as we cook. And then once the chicken's done and the vegetables are done, we're gonna bring them together and put some provolone cheese on it, cover it up, let it melt. And then once we're ready to serve, we'll take our hoagie bread and we'll make our chicken cheesesteaks. So let's go ahead and start prepping. I've already washed and deveined this red bell pepper, and we're just going to slice. Nice and thin. So now we're going to be slicing our onion. And I just like to cut them in half. And that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and chop up our chicken breast. First thing I'd like to do is I'd like to cut off some of these little pockets of fat. Okay, so here's all of our ingredients prepped and ready to cook. Our mushrooms are on the bottom. We sliced our onion and our bell peppers, and then we went ahead and sliced and cubed our chicken. Now let's go outside, turn the BlackStone, and wait for it to get hot. We got temperatures between 535 and 550. So we're gonna go ahead and put some oil. Just a little bit, not too much. Go ahead and spread it around. Let's start the cooking process. Start off by our seasoning. Put a little bit of the olive oil. We don't want them burnt, but we do want them crunchy. Make sure we get seasoning on both sides of the chicken. It doesn't take long for these vegetables to get done. So once they're done, we're gonna push them off to the side, and then we're gonna concentrate on our chicken. While that cooks, we're gonna keep turning our chicken as well. Vegetables on top. Both. And we're gonna put our cheese. Put 2 slices. Now comes the fun part. We're going to put some water so it evaporates. Makes the cheese smell. Alright, you see that cheese is all nice and melted. Now, all right, folks, from the BlackStone to our table. Moment of truth. Cheese is just melting. Delicious. The cheese is just melted with the vegetables and the chicken, and then that seasoned salt that I put on, the Lawry seasoned salt mixed in with the BlackStone. It's just delicious. The vegetables are nice and crunchy. Great combination. Simple recipe, quick, doesn't take nothing but about 10 minutes to prep, about 5 minutes to make. Simply delicious. All right, folks, thank you for joining us on another episode of Cooking with Master Gun. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash those like buttons. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Cooking with Master Gun. Until next time, hoorah, semper fi.